All of Juzheng's products are installed and commissioned in this workshop. Technicians are responsible for the installation of components in the electronic circuit control system. Our electrical spare parts are generally sourced from the world's top-ranking brands, such as Omron, Chint, and many others. This will ensure the entire machine runs at optimal efficiency. Wires are also sourced from the most reliable brands. We guarantee that all our wires are supplied with pure copper cores. At Juzheng Electronic, we utilize a new digital circuit, which means the digital processing technology used throughout the entire process, from image acquisition and image processing to image display. This will minimize the likelihood of image loss or distortion produced in the above-mentioned process, and thus the image clarity is guaranteed. The digital circuit is designed and developed by our own outstanding technicians.